Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today's video is all about some modifications that we've done to this Ford Ranger. This one is actually owned by a friend of mine called Joshua, and he owns JLB Electrical. They specialize in household electrics, so all of their contact details will be in the description below. We've just picked up this new Ford Ranger, but wanted a little bit more style to it and a bit more presence on the road. So I'm going to be just walking you through what we've done on this particular vehicle. And remember guys, if you're looking to spec up your 4x4, we are in the process of just building a new website for these sorts of parts. So you can literally spec up any pickup truck that you want, however you want it, which is going to be really cool. So stay tuned, stay live on our social media, Instagrams and stuff, because there's going to be loads of content coming soon on that. But to start with the front of the vehicle, we've got a new bar at the front, new grille, which is really quite nice, new larger wheels on here with the new tyres as well, giving that more of an off-road rugged look. Also, you've got the wide arch kit. We've got a few different options for wide arch kits, but this is really nice. I used to have this on my Navara. They look really, really nice. They don't protrude too much, but they do give you a wider kind of stance on the vehicle, and then they suit really nicely with those new wheels as well. That's obviously gone front back with the new wheels as well. But one thing I do want to show you is from the factory key. These vehicles, obviously with the natural size of the things, the mirrors are also quite beefy on the Rangers. They don't fold in, they only fold in from a button. You have to remember to do it every time, and nobody's got enough time in the world to do that. So what we've done is from the factory key, when I press lock, away they go. Mirrors fold in fully automatically. When you unlock the vehicle, they don't automatically come out, but as soon as you get in your vehicle, turn the ignition on. So as soon as I go ignition on, away they go, they come out. So that is a really nice little feature that they can easily stow away, helps you park up into those smaller spaces as well. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the finished results. The vehicle looks absolutely stunning, and I'm going to hand it over to Joshua later on. But yeah, overall, it looks absolutely mega. It's a little bit wider. You've also got the new wheels, which look phenomenal on this car. We do lots of different options. So if you're interested in speccing out your pickup truck, just get in contact with us. We do loads of different options for them, and we're more than happy to design and spec up a system for yours. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out JLB Electrical. All of their contact details is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.